Welcome. If you're looking to remove the header image from one of your Pinterest boards, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to delete a board's header image using the Pinterest app. Let's get started and make your board look exactly the way you want. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll see all your activity and saved boards. Next, tap on the Boards tab. This will display every board you've created or saved. Scroll through your list and find the board where you want to remove the header image. Once you've found it, tap on the board to open it. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots, also known as the More Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with several options for managing your board. From the menu, select Edit Board. This will take you to the board's settings, where you can change the name, description, and more. Here's the important part. Look for the Header Image section. You'll see a small delete icon, usually a trash can or an X, on the header image itself. Tap the delete icon on the header image. A prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove the header image. Confirm your choice by tapping Remove. That's it. Your board's header image will be deleted, and your board will now display without a custom header. If you ever want to add a new header image in the future, just return to the Edit Board section and upload a new one. Thanks for following along. Keeping your Pinterest boards organized and visually appealing is easy once you know these steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for making the most of your Pinterest experience.